2 ways to share your reels on Instagram story. It's a very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First of all, you have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Instagram. Once the app is up to date, simply open the app, enter your login credential, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now head over to your reel section. Let's say you want to share this reel on your story. The very first way is to tap on the share icon. At the bottom, you have to swipe left. You will be able to see the option where it says Add to Story. Click on it. Once the reel is taken to the story section, now you can click on your story or your close friends. After that, the reel will be added successfully. The next way is to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. If you want to add your own reel on your story, then what you want to do is tap and hold the reel that you want to add, and then click on Share. Once again, slide all the way to the left and tap on Add to Story. You can also change the background color by tapping on this icon at the top. Well, once you're ready to post, tap on your story at the bottom left corner, and then you'll be good to go. So these are the 2 ways to add the reel to your Instagram story. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.